Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this project I'm going to demonstrate the OTP or the one-time password based smart and secure door lock system. So initially I'm going to describe the components that I've used here and then the features of my project, and finally I will dive into the demonstration. So I've already described all of these components in the previous video, which was password protected smart and secure door lock system. So right now I'm not going to describe all these components in details, but I will be mentioning the name of the components that I've used here. So as the microcontroller, I have used the ESP32 board, which has the built-in Wi-Fi that will allow me to connect with the internet. And then as the electric door lock, I have used the 12-volt solenoid electric lock, which is powered by these 3 cells, which will be supplying eventually around 12 volts. And in order to drive this 12-volt solenoid electric door lock, I have designed a driver circuit using the NPN bipolar junction transistor BC547. As the BC547 will get the control signal generated by the ESP32 board, it will drive the electric door lock with the 12 volts power supply and then energize the coils. Eventually the door lock will get unlocked. In order to design the user interface, I have used the 20x4 I2C liquid crystal LCD display, below which there is an I2C driver. The use of the I2C driver will allow you to use the possible least amount of wires. In this case, I have only used 4 of the wires, which will eventually allow you to use more of your microcontroller ports. More of your microcontroller controllers ports will be available to work with. And then there is a buzzer and a red LED that will be notifying if any suspicious attempt is made to enter the door. And then you have the green LED that will be notifying you if the door has been opened or not. And there is a voltage regulator which will be supplying 5 volt to the LCD display, powered by this first pair of batteries. And there is another pair of batteries which will be supplying power to another 7805 5 volt regulator, which will be eventually powering this SIM900A GSM module. The SIM900A GSM module requires a constant power supply, so it's very important to ensure constant power supply in order to ensure the proper operation of the SIM900A GSM module. As you can see that the SIM900A GSM module, the LED is blinking once in every 3 seconds. It is a clear indication that the SIM900A GSM module has been established on network. So if it blinks faster, it means that it's not been able to establish on the network. In that case, you have to check the power supply and then fix it. Next to that, I have the 4-channel touch capacitive sensor. By clicking one of the channels of this 4-channel touch capacitive sensor, you can anytime unlock the door from inside without using any kind of one-time password. And next to that, I have the 4x3 matrix keypad. The layout of this keypad has already been programmed onto my code by using a 4x3 constant character type matrix. So that's all about a very short brief on the components that I've used for my project. And right now I would like to describe the features of my project. So clicking on star on the matrix keypad, I will get an OTP, a one-time password. The one-time pass, if I click, enter the one-time password through this matrix keypad, the door will get unlocked and the green LED will come up. The alert that the door has been opened will be sent to my mail as well to my cell phone by an SMS. Next, as I enter a wrong password, the red LED will go up, the buzzer will go up as well, and it will notify me with an email as well with an SMS that suspicious attempts have been made in order to enter the door. In order to unlock the door lock, I should say more specifically. And if you want to unlock the door from inside, then there is no need to enter any OTPs, there is no need to generate any one-time passwords. You can simply click on the first channel of this 4-channel touch capacitive sensor and unlock the door. I'm sorry. And the final feature is that you will be able to unlock the door from any corner of the world remotely simply by sending an SMS to the SIM900A GSM module. So that's all about the features of my project. Right now, I'll directly dive into the demonstration on how the project works. So I'm going to start from the very beginning, and in order to do so, I'm going to reset the ESP32 board and just check the LCD display, what it tells. So welcome to Rafi Smart Door Lock, undergrad in progress, Department of EEE, but door is locked. Click start to get the OTP. So let me check the serial monitor. It's telling me that connected to Wi-Fi IP address is also available, and the SIM 900A GSM module has also been configured in order to receive and send text messages. So right now I would like to click on star as it's telling me door is locked. Click star to get the OTP. So I'm going to click on star, and the OTP will be sent to my phone. OTP sent to phone, enter the OTP. So the OTP will be coming to my phone very shortly, and the OTP has arrived to my phone. As you can see, the OTP is 502568. So 502568, 502568. You see, OTP verified, door unlocked. Okay, sending first alert, which is an email. Please wait a bit. So I'm checking the serial monitor for the progress to send the email to the corresponding SMTP server. It's in progress. It will be sent within a few seconds. Usually it takes around 20 to 30 seconds to send the alert. The second alert is an SMS. So right now I'm going to check all these alerts. First of all, I'm going to check my mailbox. So alert from Rafi's automation. Let me check the last mail. Okay, I have to refresh the page. I'm refreshing the page. You see OTP verified, door open. You see the time 8:25, 0 minutes back. So the feature is working perfectly. Next, I'm going to enter a wrong password. So I'm going to click on star once again to get the one-time password. So OTP sent to phone, enter the OTP. So I'm waiting for the one-time password to arrive. The OTP has arrived, as you can see. And you can also see the previous message arrived just now. OTP verified, door opened. You know, sometimes the network gets jammed and it takes some time for the messages to arrive. Sometimes it also happens that there is no incoming message, but at a time you get 3 messages. So that's not a big deal. OTP verified, door opened was the previous message. So the current OTP is 26669. Doesn't matter. I'm going to enter a wrong OTP and show you what happens. Like 583694. You see, password mismatched. Please try again. Sending the first alert. Please wait a bit. So it will take around 20 to 30 seconds to send the mail, and it's in progress. It's been connected with the server, as I can see. It will be sent shortly within a few seconds, and I'm standing by for the confirmation. And well, I guess it's facing some problem to connect with the server. It's facing some kind of a network issue. So in that case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to terminate the current session. I mean, I'm going to reboot my ESP32 board, because due to weak network connectivity, the Wi-Fi failed. I mean, my internet failed to connect with the server. So I'm resetting the ESP32 board and waiting to get another one-time password to show you if it works perfectly. So I've clicked on star. Okay, OTP sent to phone, enter the OTP. Wait a while. My network is very weak right now, so it's showing me problems. 973118. So I'm going to enter the wrong OTP just to verify if it works properly. A wrong password. Yes. Password mismatched. Please try again. Okay, sending the first alert. Please wait a bit. Let me show you the serial monitor. In the serial monitor, you will be shown the progress of sending the mail. It's been connected with the server, I guess, and let me see eventually if it succeeds. I guess it has been successful. Sending the second alert. Please wait a while. Okay, the second alert, both of the alerts have been sent, and I'd like to check my email as well, my inbox on my cell phone. So I'm refreshing the page to check the new mail, and you see the latest email from the alert from Rafi's automation. Warning, door alert, warning, incorrect OTP, suspicious attempt detected. And the alert was sent at 8:28, and the time is 8:28 right now. So everything is working real time. And you can also see my SMS, warning, incorrect OTP, suspicious attempt detected. So the feature is working fine. The next feature is unlocking the door from inside the room simply by clicking on one of the channels. So if I click on one, the door will get unlocked. You see, I believe it's quite clear right now. It's a bit difficult for me to show all this with one of my hands. So I'm clicking, touching the first channel. You see that the door got unlocked. Button pressed, door unlocked. I'm going to do the same thing for one more time. You see, button pressed, door unlocked. So the feature is also working perfectly, right? Button pressed, door unlocked. I've shown you for 3 times. Not a big deal. And right now the final feature is the control of the door lock remotely from any corner of the world simply by sending an SMS. So it's very important that you include the substring unlock with the uppercase U onto your SMS, no matter what else you send, but it's important to ensure that you are including the substring unlock with uppercase U, because the program will look for the substring unlock with uppercase U, and it will search for the substring no matter what you send, and it will verify if the substring unlock exists. If it exists, then the door will get unlocked. So I'm sending the SMS, unlock the door please. Okay. Oh, let me click on send. Yes, it's been sent. Unlock the door please. Let me see what happens. It should, yes, request verified, door unlocked. You see it's working. Sending the first alert. That means it's going to send me the email as well the SMS. Let me show you the serial monitor right over here. Wait for NTP server. It's connecting with the server. Let me wait around 20 seconds. Yes, it's been able to connect. The first alert has been sent. The second alert has also been sent. So right now let me show you if the alerts have reached my cell phone. So first of all, I'm going to show you my mailbox. I have refreshed the page. Alert from Rafi's Automation. Let me show you the last one, which is door opened remotely using SMS. Thank you. The alert was sent at 8:30, 0 minutes back, and the time is 8:31 right now. So everything is working on real time. And the SMS has also arrived, as you can see. Door opened remotely using SMS. Thank you at 8:30. So that's how the project works. I believe I have been able to demonstrate all of the features of my project, and that's how it works. Maybe I was a bit messy while describing, while demonstrating, but I believe that I have been able to clarify myself. I believe that I have been able to demonstrate the project and all the features quite clearly. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now.